Dad, I want a dog and I want it now. And if I don't get it now, I'm gonna poo on all over your
Yeah,
sheets.
sure, whatever. We'll get a dog.
Recently, we got our new dog named called Poppy. Now, Poppy is like very young and she's like quite bitey. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I don't know why I say that. Super cool. So let's talk about it. Recently, my parents have been looking for a new dog, so we basically just, did some research and stuff, and we just searched Google for the nearest dog. Well, not actually, because you won't get like a really good answer with that. And so we closed it. They were getting ready to leave, and it was like, hey, okay, so we got our dog, and we're gonna go get it now. And they left, and then went to the pit place. I'm not sure, so they left saying stuff like, don't be stupid and blow up the house, and left and went to the pit place. And before that, they went shopping. They got like a bunch of dog supplies. So we were already, packed on, ready to go. But I'm not sure what the dog place was called. They just went. And so they took her and they brought her home. We found her in the backyard roaming. So we took her inside. Our dad started lecturing us on how to take care of Poppy, and so far I'm doing a great job, just saying. And the next day, Poppy liked to do this thing where she would keep biting it, so we placed our hands on the back of the bucket and scratched it, and it was efficient. It really tired her out, so yeah, we kept doing that. I don't know why she liked it, she just did. And then recently we learned that she had worms, so we had to take one of her poop samples and drive to the vets. They came and we gave them the sample. And so recently we learned that she had worms. So we had to, pick up her poo and put it in a sample like this one. So basically we drove to the vets with like the poo sample, obviously, because we were doing errands. The person walked up to our car, and it was pretty simple. We just gave them the sample, and that was the end of that story. So yeah, she's feeling a lot better. And ow, she kept biting me. Another time, I was like doing stuff. She's like, "Ha! I'm gonna eat that book. Eat it. I'll never know where it went." And I found her just chewing on the book. Luckily, she didn't do much damage to it. So I just took it off her. That doesn't have anything to. That doesn't have. I can't speak today. That has nothing to do with the story. And another time, my parents were going to Costco. They said that we were in charge of the house, and well, that's not gonna end well. So they were at Costco, buying groceries and stuff. They did get the muffins though. Sad face. And they didn't get any crepes. That's fine. But I want my crepes. And Puppy was like, "Ha! I'm gonna bite this moron." And then she ran towards me and bit me so hard that blood came out. Yeah, she's a handful, but she's worth it, except when she tears up your furniture and pees all over your carpet. And so I feel like I should say something. If you were to get like a pet or animal, make sure you do the research so you are ready and you know what you need to take care of it, so it doesn't, feel neglected or just, straight out get sick. So you don't really want that. So make sure you research it before you get a pet. Sorry this video took so long. I was trying something new out because I felt like, doing some story time animation because I want to get into that, practice it. And practice is always good. I'm still working on my, the thing that I want to say at the end of this end card. I think I'm just gonna just use the toilet daily because, well, for one thing, I need it most of all. This video is supposed to be releasing last week, but I wanted it to be a month away from my last video, so basically I've just been torturing you guys. I'm not sorry. Please don't unsubscribe.